I'm Alex, the Bacano insurance journalist. I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and I'm here to save you money. I was talking to someone that I ran into, and they were telling me a story. They said that they received free dental veneers. That's correct, free. I'm here to give you the cheat code. You ready? This person was in prison, got into a fight, lost their teeth, and had to have it replaced. Here's a quote. The most obvious answer is that dental insurance is insurance that covers our dental care, our teeth, and our gums. Dental insurance can be purchased by itself, or it can be purchased most commonly as part of an employee benefits package. Think of this employee benefits package as sort of a very, very expensive and very important Happy Meal. In this Happy Meal, you have a hamburger. The hamburger is the medical. That's the substantial portion of this. This is the biggest part of your meal, if you will. Then you have vision and you have dental. Dental here being the fries, which is the next largest portion. And then lastly, you have vision. Now vision could be, in this instance, a drink, hopefully something healthy. But let's think about something else in particular. Dental insurance is often broken down, or rather it is broken down into two portions. It's broken down into adult dental and pediatric dental. There is a distinction. In order for us to understand how affordable dental insurance is, we have to understand how deductibles work. A deductible is an amount that we have to pay out of pocket before insurance starts to pay on our behalf. Now, in the case of a deductible, think of it as a relationship. In a relationship, you have to give before you can take. And in any relationship, we have also the notion that there's only a certain amount that we can take. Right? And this is kind of the concept of a benefit cap, that insurance will stop paying above a certain amount. Remember our earlier distinction where we said that there's a difference between adult dental care and pediatric dental care? Well, in the case of adult dental care, there are benefit caps. However, due to the Affordable Care Act, there is no benefit cap on pediatric dental most times. Doesn't mean always, doesn't mean every case. From what I understand, there could be exceptions to the rule. However, as a standard rule of thumb, pediatric dental does not carry benefit caps, leading to some very questionable procedures and situations. I'm gonna give you two reasons. The first reason is that dental insurance is just inherently easier to understand than medical. Medical requires a lot of specialized knowledge, requires oftentimes people that have to be asked questions, that then have to research the question within a policy document, within a plan document. In the case of dental, it is clear cut. You know exactly how much everything costs right up front. There's usually very little room for error as far as understanding what the coverage is. Additionally, dental insurance provides us discounts. It makes dental care easier to approach, easier to afford. When you are choosing dental insurance, you oftentimes see two plan options. When you're looking at these two plan options, it becomes difficult to figure out which one you should go with. If we're talking about dental insurance and which one you should go with, you oftentimes have to think to yourself along the lines as to who your dentist is and how much work you're having done. Now, there are usually three scenarios to run through. The first scenario is that your dentist is a network and you don't have a lot of work to be done. Take the low plan. Easy peasy. Easiest scenario. Second scenario, you don't have a dentist. Now you have to weigh how much work you're getting done. If you're getting a lot of work done, go with the high plan. If you're not getting a lot of work done, go with the low plan. Last scenario, or third scenario, is that you have a dentist you really love. This person is the type of person that you've established a relationship with. You trust them with your dental care. In this case, you're gonna have to go with the high plan, because they may be out of network. If they are out of network, you're also gonna pay way, way, way more for that same dental coverage. Now, as far as dental care, we should expect to pay about $600 or more a year as of 2022. Here's some key takeaways. Dental insurance helps us pay for certain services that we receive as far as dental care. providing us annual cleanings. Additionally, dental insurance does not cover everything. There are some really expensive, complicated procedures that dental insurance does not cover. We're talking about orthodontics. Oftentimes, we're talking about veneers may not be covered, crowns. Be very particular about your benefits when you look through your dental insurance coverage. Additionally, there is a distinction between children's, aka pediatric dental, and adult dental, and how much the insurance company will pay. Lastly, dental insurance is about $600 or more a year out of pocket.
And it does not cover everything.
Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, go ahead and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, take care of yourself. Till next time.